Hello friends, Mrs. Walt here with your daily phonics lesson, and today we're going to be sorting vowel-R syllable types. So get a piece of paper or a dry erase board, get it quickly. If your teacher needs to, pause the lesson for a moment so that you can have your materials ready. Okay, so at the top I want you to write vowel-R and then another column for not vowel-R. Okay, so here we go. Let's review. So in this word, find the vowel, and we see it's followed by an R. This is a vowel-R syllable type, and hopefully remember that when you see an O and an R together, it's going to say the syllable sound or the vowel sound or, like in this word, Lord. And when we look at this one, find the vowel. It is followed by an R. Again, cross those fingers for a vowel-R syllable type. AR says R. This word is blark. Silly pseudo word. Okay, finding our vowel. It is followed by an R. And IR is going to say like in this silly word, twerm. Finding our vowel and seeing it's followed by an R. This is a vowel-R syllable, so this word would be zerp. And last review, we find the vowel. It's a U followed by an R. We have a vowel-R. UR is going to say so this is blurg. Are we ready? Everybody ready to go with their paper and pencil? Okay, first one. Okay, find the vowel, and it is followed by an R, so we are going to write it on the vowel-R syllable side. Okay. Next one. Find the vowel. Oh, nothing behind it, so this is not a vowel-R. There is no R behind it, so this is going to go on the not a vowel-R syllable type. Okay. All right. All right, your turn. Which one are you writing it on? Which side? Is it going to be vowel-R or not vowel-R? Pat yourself on the back if you said O. I see that O followed by an R. And read the word bore. Ready? Which side are you going to write it on? Okay, very good. If you said I see the O followed by an R, I'm going to write it on this side. Mrs. Walt, you are not tricking me. That word would be flort. I can tell that some of my friends are finding the vowel I followed by R, and you are writing it on the vowel-R syllable side. Very good. Looks like a clur. I'm going to move this up a little bit. If it would let me. Okay. All right. It's not letting me for some reason. Okay. Next we have this silly word. What do you think? Nope. Find the vowel. It is followed by an R, and hopefully you're thinking, oh, that's a nort. It is going to go, I'm going to squeeze it up here, on the vowel-R syllable side. There's no tricking you guys, is there? That is not a vowel-R. That looks like another open syllable, flow. Which side are you going to put it on? Are you going to put it on the vowel-R or the not vowel-R syllable side? Very good. If you said, I see the E followed by an R, it is going on the vowel-R, and hopefully you're thinking to yourself, that word is spirk. Spirk. Crazy. Who thinks of these things? Okay, let's look at this one. Find your vowel. That's not an R. Very good. This is not vowel R. And hopefully you're saying to yourself, I know that's closed syllable, strand. Very good. Not vowel R, is it? Okay, it's going to go on the not vowel R side. In fact, that looks like a vowel team, grade, but not the real way we spell grade. Okay, good job. If you said, I see the vowel followed by R, that is a vowel R syllable. The vowel sound in the middle says we've got a merg. I am running out of room on my board. I think I'm going to have to, well, let me move it for some reason. Strange. Okay. All right, next one we have, find the vowel, and hopefully you're saying silent E. This is going to go on the not vowel R side. Okay. And last one, find the vowel. It's followed by a silent E. It is going to go on the not vowel R side. So before we end, let's go ahead, take a minute and read these vowel R syllable type words that we made. We have plar, bore, flort, clur, nort, spurk, and merg. Very good job. Okay, friends, remember, good readers are always looking for those syllable type patterns to help them figure out new words. So go forth and happy reading. I'll see everybody later. Bye.